I went to show this. Oh, it's like a mini chainsaw, handheld chainsaw right now that I have. So this is a close-up of the unit. Alright. Comes with this battery. I'll zoom in for you. You should not charge it when no one is around to monitor the battery charging process. Alright, I'm gonna mount on the battery. Activate it for a short while. When you just press it one time, it doesn't move. The blade does not activate. See? It doesn't activate. But if you press it twice, then it works. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.